Worldwide, over 300 million computers are produced annually, many with a life cycle of just a few years. Globally, 44.7 million tons of IT waste are produced every year. This equals the weight of 4,500 Eiffel Towers. IT waste contains many hazardous materials, and the unpleasant truth is that no one knows where more than 75% of this IT waste ends up. From the European Union alone, 6.6 million tons of IT waste ends up in Africa and Asia illegally. But in Denmark, two companies have set themselves to address this huge environmental challenge. Tier1Asset buys used computers from companies around the world. All data are deleted, and the computers are anonymized in every way. The units are tested, corrections are made, and finally, a new operating system is installed before the computers are packed for resale. Torben Valentine is production director and explains.
90% of all equipment going through our process is ready to be sold and will have a lifespan of 7 years after being refurbished.
This all saves the environment for toxic materials and ultimately significant CO2 volumes. About 10% of the material received by Tier1Asset can't be used for resale though, and is actually IT waste. Tier1Asset has a highly ambitious environmental profile. Therefore, the IT waste should be recycled as much as possible. Sales Director Morten Helbo elaborates.
We might get better prices from competitors to Stena, but we believe that the total solution with Stena is much more valuable for our customers.
Therefore, a cooperation with Stena Recycling was established. At Stena, 90% of the IT waste received from Tier1Asset is recycled to, for example, gold. This means that 99% of all the IT waste Tier1Asset receives is now reused or recycled and turned into new resources. Stena has the expertise and solutions to recycle all types of electronic waste, and this creates value.
Our customers need to be compliant with laws and regulations. That's why we have a documented and transparent process for both the recycling, upcycling, exactly like Stena has for e-waste.
Stena Recycling also sees great benefits in the cooperation. It's about lifting waste up the hierarchy. Søren Sørensen from Stena elaborates.
It's best that IT units are reused before they're turned into IT waste. It makes sense in relation to the circular economy. We do it because we care for the next generations.
The cooperation between Tier1Asset and Stena Recycling is ambitious. The goal is to triple recycling within the next few years. This collaboration saves large resources, but more importantly, it shows the way in which we'll deal much more beneficially with IT waste in future.